In this video, we'll show you how to install WordPress on your computer using the Local software. Local is an amazing localhost platform offered by WP Engine. So let's get started. Let's open our browser. And now let's visit the LocalWP website. Okay, we're here in LocalWP website. Now we are going to download the software from here. So we can simply click on this download button. And here it's asking us to choose our platform. So we're going to click on this drop down and we're going to select, okay, you can select Mac if you're using Mac or Linux if you're using Linux, okay? So since I'm using Windows, I'm going to select Windows. Next, you can put in your first name, last name, work email, and phone number, then click on the Get Now button. We don't want to fill up all these, we're just going to fill up our email address. So we have entered our email address, now we're going to click on Get It Now button. Okay, so our download is complete. So I'm going to close my browser now, and let's open up our folder. And here is our download. So we're going to install this software right now. So I'm going to double click on it. In the first option, it's telling us, please select whether you wish to make this software available to all users or just yourself. So I'm going to click only for me. And then it's asking us where we want to install the software. If you wish, you can select on this browse button and select where you want to install the software. Okay, so I'm fine with this location. We're going to click on install and wait for the installation to finish. All right, so our installation is complete. Now let's select run local and click on finish button. Okay, so let's close this. And this is, we have updated Local's terms of service. So read through these terms of service, and after you do, click on this checkbox that says I have read and agreed to Local's terms of service. Then I'm going to click on I agree button. And here is the software. So first, you will be welcomed to Local. Then you can create a free account by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so we have logged into our Local account and it's asking us help us make Local better by enabling error reporting. So you can turn this on, so if you face any errors, it will be sent to the team so that they can fix the bugs faster. Okay, so I'm going to click on turn on error reporting. And then it's asking us, is it okay to enable usage reporting? So you can make the software better by sharing some non-sensitive data. But we're going to click on no thanks. Okay, so this is the software. Here you can just simply click on this create a new site button and add your WordPress site. But before we do that, let's explore some other options. So here's the account option. If we click on here, you can see it gives us the option to log into Local, preference, and down here, these are all our local sites. I will create one site and show you how everything is done. And in the next tab, which is the connect, now this feature allows you to connect to WP Engine or Flywheel hosting platforms, then choose a site and then make your changes and deploy back to staging or production in no time. We can use this to connect to a platform, and this is a new option, which is the blueprints. So this is a new addition to this software and it's very good. It allows you to build a WordPress site from the previous settings. So previously, if you have built a WordPress with some good themes and plugins and you want to recreate that site, you can simply use these blueprints to recreate that site. Okay, so we currently don't have any blueprints saved. So the next option is the add-ons. So this is the add-on section. From here, you can install your add-ons or extensions. Okay, I believe that concludes all the options over here. There's the support. Of course, you can read docs and ask community and get help from here. Okay, enough with that. Now let's click on these local sites and create our local site. So I'm going to click on this create a new site button. And here it's giving us the option to create a new site from scratch or create from a blueprint. As I said earlier, if you have any blueprint, it will allow you to recreate your WordPress website with the same settings, same plugins, same themes. So that is one of the fastest way to create your WordPress site and get it up and running. Okay. So since we don't have any blueprint, we can't select this option. We're going to go with the create a new site, this option. Okay. You can also select an existing zip file or drag your file into the window over here. You can import your site from here. The option is there. But we're going to select this option. Now we're going to click on the continue button. And now it's asking us, what is the name of your site? So let's give a name to our WordPress site. Say we are going to say WP1, okay? Just for an example. So if we go to the advanced option, you can already see that the name that we've given here, it has already set up a local site domain and a local site path. If you want, you can change all of these, but I don't think it's necessary. So we're going to fold it and click on the continue button. From here, you can actually choose your environment. So there are two options over here, preferred and custom. So with the preferred one, you will have PHP 8.1.9 and the web server will be Nginx and MySQL version 8.0.16. So usually this option is really good. But if you have certain requirements, or if you want to change your PHP or web server or database, you can select this custom. And from here, you can select the PHP version you want to use, the web server, or the database. Okay. But I'm going with the preferred one. Now I'm going to click on continue. Now we can add our WordPress username, password, and email address. Okay. So let's give our WordPress site a username and a password. Okay, so we have given our site a name, a password, and an email address. So there's another option. If you click on the advanced option, it will tell you, is this a WordPress multi-site? So currently no is selected, but if you click on the drop down, it gives you two options. Yes, subdirectory, yes, subdomain. So if it is a subdirectory or a subdomain, you have the option to check those. But we are creating a simple WordPress site, so we are not going to check any of those options. Now we're going to click on the add site button, and we're going to allow access for Nginx through our firewall, the Mailhog, and for local. So we're allowing the access. And now we actually have to wait for our WordPress site to set up. So it's installing our WordPress site. Okay, so our WordPress site is done. We didn't even have to download WordPress files. It just downloaded everything and set everything for us. How cool is that? So our site is ready. You can see the local site has been added over here. And as you create more and more sites will be added in this list. And it's already running. You can see that one site is running. It's already telling us here. And we can click on the stop all button to stop the site. You can see the green button over here. You can stop your site from here as well. Okay, so this is the overview, your site domain, your SSL, web server, PHP, database, one-click admin, WordPress version, multi-site, which is no. So everything is over here. Database option is over here. Tools, everything is here. So if we click on open site, it will open the site for us. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is our website. It's using the 2023 theme. Excellent. So now let's close it up and let's open our WP admin. Okay, so now let's put in our username and password. Okay, so now let's click on login. Okay, so we have logged into our WordPress dashboard. So everything is over here. Let's check out the plugins. So we have no plugins installed. Let's click on these themes. We have the 2023, 2021, and 2022 theme. Okay, so everything is ready. We can simply click on visit site to see how our site looks. Okay, so that is how you can use this amazing software to launch your WordPress website. And personally, I think this is really great. It's going to make you a lot more efficient, especially this blueprint option over here. If you are someone who experiments with WordPress websites and has to build WordPress websites over and over again, this option will surely help you. Okay, so that's enough for today. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If this was, give it a like, share, and subscribe to this channel, because that only encourages us to make more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching.